I want you to explain to me why there's no God.
Okay, well, it's inability for falsifiability.
Okay, I think you're walking into a philosophical landmine that you have no idea that you're walking precariously, stepping on a landmine. So, are you saying that no proposition is immune from revision?
Well, I'm saying that there has been no evidence.
Answer the question.
Okay.
Okay, that's dodge number one. Dodge one more time, and I'm going to remove you. Okay? You brought up the falsification criterion, did you not?
Yeah, I did.
Good. So, are you saying that no proposition, including the proposition that God exists, is immune from revision?
Revision? That's not what falsifiability is.
Yeah, it is. The principle of falsification says that in order for something to be meaningful and accepted as true, it must be in principle falsifiable, which means the proposition, when asserted to be true, can be revised and in some principle falsified. Okay, so I know what I'm talking
about. No, that's not true. With the rules of falsifiability, you can't revise a theory.
Stop bickering with me. You don't know what you're talking about.
No, you don't know what you're talking about. I'm quoting Popper. I'm quoting Popper.
I don't care if you quote Popper.
It's the same thing with communism. It's like someone proves it wrong and they revise the theory. They adjust for the. That's what it is.
Okay, you're not understanding. Okay, this is going over your head.
You're not understanding.
Look, if you're going to bicker with me like a 14-year-old, I'm going to kick you. So what's it going to be? Are you going to conduct yourself maturely or not?
Well, I just
are you going to conduct yourself?
I addressed the issues. I addressed the issues with your question.
Okay, wow. TTAB, folks. TTAB. Okay, teenagers trapped in adult bodies. Okay. The falsifiability principle in Popperianism has to do with the demarcation between science and non-science, okay? Right? So when we talk about God, we're talking about metaphysics. We're not talking about scientific-y stuff, right? So the falsifiability criterion is that unless something is in principle falsifiable, it's unworthy of acceptance as true or meaningful, right? So he doesn't know what the hell he's talking about, right? So the point is this: the falsification criterion is the principle that no proposition is immune from revision, because if it is immune from revision, it is deemed to be unworthy of belief or acceptability, because the proposition in question must be in principle falsifiable, in principle, that there must be some scenario wherein the proposition could be falsified, which means the proposition is revisable, as opposed to it is immune from revisability, all right? A proposition that is immune from all and every revisability would be unfalsifiable. So this guy doesn't even understand how the principle of falsification, when it comes to metaphysics, is the same thing about saying propositions must be immune. No proposition can be immune from revisability. It's just the falsification principle in metaphysics. He didn't see any bad behavior. Where do they grow these people?